Unearthed from various locations around the world, the fossilized bones and teeth of ancient bison have been crucial resources in reconstructing the puzzle of their past. These specimens offer insights into the anatomical features, size, and adaptations of these prehistoric behemoths. Noteworthy finds include well-preserved skulls, horn cores, and limb bones, all which shed light on the ancient bison's morphology and lifestyle. Scientists analyze these fossils to discern patterns of migration, diet, and environmental influences. The study of dental remains provides valuable information about their dietary preferences and the ecosystems they inhabited. Evidence of butchery marks on bones suggests a long history of human reliance on these massive herbivores for sustenance and resources. Number 9. Woolly rhino. Unearthed primarily in the permafrost of Siberia, the remains of woolly rhinos, majestic creatures living in the Pleistocene epoch, provided amazing information into this creature. The remarkably well-preserved nature of woolly rhino fossils allowed researchers to reconstruct not only the skeletal structure, but also aspects of their soft tissues and even fur. These findings unveiled the secrets of their impressive adaptations to the harsh Ice Age environment, showcasing features like a thick fur coat and a distinctive nasal structure, which helped them thrive in frigid landscapes. As advances in technology continue, from radiocarbon dating to genetic analysis, each find contributes not only to our understanding of this iconic species, but also to the broader tapestry of Earth's history. Number 8. Huge camels. The significance of this discovery lies in its impact on the Camelidae family tree, which is the camel, by the way, if you couldn't tell. I know, they sound really different. The camel bones found in the Yukon provided compelling evidence that these ancient camels were more closely related to modern camels than llamas, which makes sense because they're called camel bones. I could have told you that, honestly. The Camelidae family originated over 40 million years ago in North America, with divergence leading to the development of camels and llamas. Contrary to previous assumptions linking Arctic-dwelling camels to South American llamas, a 2008 discovery in Hunker Creek, Yukon completely challenged this. Gold miners unearthed well-preserved leg bones of an extinct camel species dating back 75,000 to 125,000 years, providing an opportunity for DNA extraction. Genetic analysis disclosed that Ice Age Western camels diverged from their modern counterparts around 10 million years ago, migrating north during a warmer period, 100,000 years ago, ultimately becoming extinct approximately 10,000 years ago. Wow, a lot of numbers. Number 7. Cave lion. Cave lions roamed Eurasia and North America during the Pleistocene epoch. Fossil discoveries of these predators provided insights into their anatomy, behavior, and ecological significance. Excavations in various regions have unearthed very well-preserved remains, allowing scientists to piece together the puzzle of this extinct species. Skull fragments, teeth, and limb bones have been key findings, displaying the cave lion's adaptations for hunting large prey in the icy landscape. The well-preserved specimens from permafrost sites have offered glimpses into the creature's soft tissues and fur, providing a more vivid image of its appearance. Analysis of these fossils have suggested that cave lions were well adapted to cold climates, likely possessing a dense fur coat. Well, okay, they were found frozen, so they weren't that well adapted. Okay, especially not compared to an awesome creature that we have coming up. The discovery of cave lion fossils enabled scientists to reconstruct aspects of their social structure, hunting behavior, and interactions with other species. Some cave lion remains exhibit signs of injuries, hinting at possible conflicts with contemporary predators or challengers in their harsh environments. Number 6. Giant ground sloths. Giant ground sloths were colossal creatures, megafauna, that roamed the earth. Fossilized remains of these giants have provided insight into Earth's mysterious past. Discovered across various continents, including South America, North America, and even as far as Antarctica, these fossils have sparked a fascination among paleontologists. The most prominent genus unveiled details about the sloth's anatomy and behavior. With massive claws adapted for digging and robust limb bones, these sloths were well suited for an herbivorous lifestyle. Fossil evidence suggests they sit on their hind legs, reaching heights of over 20 feet, a feature that easily distinguishes them from their shrunken contemporary relatives. The fossils also hint at potential interactions with early humans. Some specimens display evidence of butchery marks, suggesting that these gigantic sloths may have been hunted or scavenged by ancient human populations. Number 5. Mammoth calf. Mammoth calves that were frozen in time for thousands of years unveil a lens into their existence. These colossal creatures, well, tiny then, are relatives of the gentle modern elephants we know. Unearthing mammoth calves has proven to be a treasure trove of scientific insights. The remains of mammoth calves exhibit remarkable anatomical details, offering researchers a chance to comprehend the biology and behavior of these extinct giants. The frozen carcasses have revealed insights into their diet, lifestyle, and the environmental conditions. Scientists study the tusks, teeth, and bones, extracting information about the mammoth's growth patterns and adaptations. The well-preserved state of some specimens has fueled ambitious discussions within the scientific community about the feasibility of reviving the mammoth through genetic engineering. Pretty cool. Honestly, I'd do a vid on that stuff. Number 4. Mummified penguins. This one makes me sad because, like, penguins and mummified. While on an Arctic expedition, a group of researchers were met with a peculiar sight: penguin excrement, a rocky landscape covered with remarkably well-preserved bones and carcasses. A team utilized radiocarbon dating to uncover the true nature of these penguin remains. What they initially perceived as a recent artifact was actually ancient bodies concealed beneath the Antarctic snow for countless years, now unveiled by rising temperatures. About 800 years ago, during a period known as the Little Ice Age, expanding snow and ice forced the penguins to vacate the area permanently. Those who couldn't escape were left behind, eventually getting buried under the snow until recent thawing brought them to light. Number 3. Nematodes. Frozen colonies have been unearthed on nematodes, shedding light on the mysterious world beneath the Earth's surface. These microscopic organisms, commonly known as roundworms, have long been overlooked in the search for extraterrestrial life. The frozen colonies are discovered in permafrost regions. The ability of nematodes to survive in freezing temperatures suggests the possibility of life existing in seemingly inhospitable places, on other planets even, expanding the scope of astrobiology. These frozen colonies provide an archive of genetic material. Researchers are eager to explore the evolutionary history and adaptation mechanisms that allowed nematodes to endure icy conditions for such extended periods. The discovery of life on nematodes challenges preconceived notions and fuels the curiosity about vast possibilities on Earth and beyond. This breakthrough invites a reevaluation of the potential for life in extreme environments and the importance of further exploration in our quest to understand the boundaries of habitability. Number 2. Giant beaver. In 2019, a remarkable discovery challenged preconceived notions about the Ice Age giant beaver. Researchers found that this colossal rodent measured at 6 feet long and 220 pounds. It was primarily an herbivore. Scientists analyzed fossilized bones and teeth dating back 10,000 to 50,000 years. Isotopic signatures in the fossils indicated that the giant beaver's diet consisted mainly of aquatic plants. The research contributes to understanding climate change. Ice Age megafauna thriving in wetter climates faced extinction 10,000 years ago during a shift to warmer and drier conditions. Smaller beavers that survived the Ice Age continue to influence ecosystems today. This discovery acts as a map for contemporary environmental changes, shedding light on the historical migration of animals adapting to shifting climates. As warming conditions prompt current species to move northward, this phenomenon mirrors events that occurred 100,000 years ago, emphasizing the impact of climate on the distribution and evolution of wildlife. Number 1. Saber-toothed cats. Saber-toothed cats have left their mark on records with their impressive fossils and remains. These creatures roamed the Earth from approximately 2.5 million to 10,000 years ago. That's a pretty big range. The fossilized remains of saber-toothed cats reveal their distinctive features, most notably the elongated canine teeth that could grow up to a foot in length. The discovery of well-preserved skeletons has allowed for detailed studies of their skeletal structure, shedding light on their locomotion and muscles. Their formidable weapons were likely employed for subduing prey, showcasing the intricacies of predator-prey dynamics during their existence.